Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 7. This is Section 1.3, Problem 7. We have to add the numbers 5,064 plus 972. Now the way the problem is written, it's going across or horizontally. I prefer to add vertically. So I will take a minute to just rewrite the problem so it's vertical or up and down. So 5,064 I'll write first. Beneath it I'll write 972 with the line and the plus sign. Now it's written in a format that's a little bit easier to deal with. So I'm going to start at the far right column and add the digits in that column, which would be 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. There's nothing to carry, so I just put the 6 underneath the column with the 4 and the 2 and move over to the next column. The next column has the digits 6 and 7. So I will add 6 plus 7, get a result of 13. Now for 13, I put the 3 from the 13 under that column of digits, carry the 1 from the 13 to the top of the next column of digits, and then add 1 plus 0 plus 9. Well, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1 plus 9 more is 10. So for 10, I will put the 0 from the 10 under that column of digits and carry the 1 from the 10 to the top of the next column. And now I'm just left with adding 1 plus 5. There's nothing underneath the 5. I can just ignore that. 1 plus 5 is 6. And that gives me a final answer of 6,036. And if you like, you can always put a comma between the 1,000 and the rest of the digits.